Hello, welcome to Back to School Night. This is my first period game design, introduction to game design. So we start our first session of first period of every odd day with game design class, and so this is one of the best things that we can start with for every other day. So game design class is designed with the Unity platform, which is one of the hot and platform that it's available these days for designing a 3D games. And so students are designing with the Unity editor, which is update this application will update every month, so it's very cool to use this application for this course at high school. Most of the students in my first period, they are really interested to learn how to design a game. Sometimes I have some students, they just assume that this class is fun because the name is game design, and they feel they can easily stay in my class and play video game, but our class is just actually just for designing a game, not playing a game. And it's not an easy course at all. So most of the students in this class, they are very hard workers, so because it's not an easy course for the high school students, and if they are working for designing a game, so it is really the same with other professional game designer around us. We work with the Unity editor, and the computer languages that we use is C#. We have some summative and formative plus project for this course. Most of the class activity, they are considered as a formative assignments. We have some project, Unity project, we have some presentation. We are just searching for the new video game they release every year. So my course is always I have to update every year all the content that I have for this course. It's not an easy course for me because not only all the games are updating every year, we have the editor, which new version of the editor is also update every month. So but that's very fun for a student, so they have to update the editor. They are working with the hot platform that they can design the game, and they really enjoy designing the game. I remember last class I asked them, do you want to present a presentation about the history of game, or do you like to design with the Unity editor? I just wanted to check how they want to answer my question, and they all say, no, Miss Farizma, we want to design a game. And I was very happy with the answer. So most of the project they have to complete are in a group of 2, but we have some individual assignments, some teamwork, so they are learning a lot of details, not only related to the game design, but about presenting the creativity, the new idea, the storytelling. So everything are included in the course are very interesting for them. So I'm so happy with this course every year, and my students also always feel very excited and happy in the end of the year. We have some real project that we have as a final exam, so I always bring my virtual reality, and students will design a game, 3D games, for the real virtual reality, so it is very cool for high school students. We have some project by end of the year, and like in the middle of each project we have some presentation, assignments, class activity, and I know that students, they just want to design a game, but we have to like cover some theories about the game, and I try my best to make it more like interesting, because students prefer to like play video game if they are not interested in the content. But I always try my best to make all the content more interesting, to just make them focus on the course. Yeah, so another thing that I wanted to mention, I have my email address on Canvas, so whenever you have any question, concern, if you need to talk with me, like for any reason, so you have access to my email address. You can come to see me in my office hours in period 2 and period 7. Also my A lunch are always, you are welcome you to come to see me every day during my lunch break at 11:30 to 12. So if you have any concern, you can call me, you can shoot me an email, or come to see me here. I'm always here in room 274 or 274A, backroom office. And students will use the Dell laptop during the classes, because they cannot install Unity editor on the MacBook, a school MacBook. In other like MacBook, if they have a personal laptop, they can use, and installing the Unity editor is free, so it just takes 10 minutes for them to install Unity editor. And I told them, like, whenever they want, they can come to room 274 during the Patriot period and use the laptop, but they cannot take the laptop to home, so they are just allowed to use them during the classes. But if they have any personal laptop or devices, they can install Unity editor for free at home. These are all the things that I wanted to mention. So if anything, any question you have, just shoot me an email, and I'm so happy and excited to work with your kids this school year. So this is one of my favorite courses at Yorktown. Thank you, and have a great rest of the day.